How to find trending sound on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today I'll be showing you the ways to find trending sound on Instagram. So if you want to find or use a trending sound on your Instagram reels, then what you'll need to do is, first of all, make sure to update your application and log in into your Instagram account. Once logged in, you'll need to go to the Reels section by tapping on the Reels icon. After that, explore the page until you spot the tiny arrow. So what you can need to do is you need to scroll down, and I'll be showing you the tiny arrow icon that says this particular sound is a trending. As you can see in this particular video, right at the bottom there's this arrow icon. So if you tap this particular arrow icon, it's gonna go ahead and take you to here. So here you can see this particular sound has been used to make this amount of reels. So this is how you can find trending sound on Instagram. So similarly, let me show you that this particular music or the sound does not have an arrow icon, which means this is not a trending sound. You can just go ahead and look for the arrow icon, and that's basically how you can find trending sound on Instagram. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.